Hello, good morning, good morning.
Look at that. It's doing it again. There's like this weird static thing at the beginning, but last time it just completely went away. So
What is it, Eric?
he said it's just a connection.
Okay,
That's
that's
not
weird.
spirit issue.
Okay, all right. Well,
But I wonder if on these recordings that you might hear Eric. I'd be interested to know because it sounds very different this time when you're talking.
could be. Everybody listen for Eric's voice. We found a number of times where he, where we pick his voice up. Good, Eric. That excites people so much. Keep it up, man. It's awesome, and I love hearing my baby boy's voice. I really do.
He'll keep it up, no problem.
That's good. All right, we're going to talk about the law of attraction. Everybody wants to know about the law of attraction. Using thoughts to create your reality. Now, I'm doing this rice experiment from Professor Emoto where you take boiled rice in 3 jars, fill it with water, and you thank one every day, call the other one an idiot, and ignore the other one. And the one that's ignored just gets all rotten, and the one that's called an idiot all the time it turns black, and then the one that you thank every day just has this wonderful aroma of sweet fermenting, probably rice sake, I don't know. And so I've been doing that experiment, and the first one that's developing mold is a thank you one. I think, and now the idiot one is fermenting, and it shows these bubbles. I think I just feel so sorry for the poor little thing when I call it an idiot. I feel so guilty that I probably accidentally send it love and healing energy too. I don't know.
No, that's exactly what he was saying.
Oh,
He goes, out of all the people to do this experiment, not you, Mom, not you.
I can't
You
call it an idiot.
Yeah, he goes, you can't separate yourself and just be an asshole.
I know, I can't. Damn it.
He
Oh
goes,
well.
you're kind of okay with ignoring one of them, like, because you can tell yourself, oh, I'm busy, that one has to be alone, and it's good for him to be alone.
Oh, there we go. Well,
And so you kind of talk yourself into it, but to be a bitch.
that's too bad. Dang it. I was vlogging on that one. Oh well, guys, I kind
Oh,
of scooped out the mold. I'm going to keep trying.
he goes, Mom, why don't you just write the words on it?
I did.
And then let that empower itself and just see what happens.
Oh, and don't do anything else. All right, I'll do that. All right, now back to the issue at the topic at hand. Law of attraction. Now
Oh,
I remember
yes.
you talking about dust bunnies before. What's that? What's that
Law of
for?
attraction. He keeps doing the kissing.
Oh, you're so silly.
Um, he said, yeah, we can talk about the dust bunny thing again. He
Okay.
goes, whatever you put out there, like if your house is dirty and you don't clean up underneath your bed and constantly what goes down there is attracted to itself and then it grows and it grows and it grows and then all of a sudden it's a nuisance. And he goes, but let's look at that energetically instead of like a dust bunny. And let's say, like my mom was saying, to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to one thing. Those thank yous, that energetic vibration of the thank you connects to each other and it gets bigger and better and bigger and better and bigger and better within that vibrational pattern and it hangs out until you actually clean it. Just like your dust bunny is going to stay under your bed until you Swiffers sweep it.
Swiffer sweep it. It's like a Swiffer commercial.
Way to name drop.
Yeah, really.
I like to see him use one.
Hmm. No, me too. No, he usually was responsible for things like the heavy stuff, mulching, the front yard, and all that stuff that he really liked.
Oh God, he's trying to show me the muscles on him.
Oh yeah. Big muscles, big boy.
But he says we're not really trained to be aware of the energy that we're putting out there because we can't see it, so we obviously can't touch it, therefore it's not real to us and we shouldn't pay attention to it. But it's not true. Like if you're trying to manifest, let's say, love in your life. Okay, so you're thinking of the girl or the man and you know what kind of hair you want them to have and all these qualities. But when you think about love, you innately feel like you're not worthy of it.
Mm.
So you're manifesting all these things, but what's powering it is you're not worthy of it. So
Yeah.
is that shit ever going to come to you? No, but you are collecting a lot of I'm not worthy energy all around you and all around the topic of I want love. So, not gonna work.
No. So how does it physically work? I mean, in terms of physics, how does thought is obviously energy. So you have
Yes.
this thought tendril going out into the universe
Yeah, but
and
it depends on what you're saying and the vibrational quality of it, Mom. That's the most
okay.
important thing, the vibration of it, how it moves. Because that vibration can speak and communicate to other vibrations of, I don't know why he's doing this. It's really funny. And it's right behind the camera, Eric's. Okay. Um, Eric goes, you don't realize how stupid you look sometimes. I'm like, nope, I don't pay attention.
Who makes her do that?
He
So
goes, it's not my fault. She mimics everything.
there we
Okay.
go.
All right. So it depends on the vibration of it because then they can speak to each other. So let's say this whole law of attraction.
Mm-hmm.
If you really believe in the words you're saying, right, that, let's say, I don't think that makes sense. Can you say it another way? He said, like, you know how you say something sarcastically? Where you say, like, yeah, I love you.
Oh
Oh, I
yeah.
so love you. He goes, the words I love you have a certain vibration, but the belief, the emotional value behind it, the sarcasm, the sassiness, or the really deep, like, I love you,
Mm-hmm.
that powers that vibration in a different way. So you can kind of think, because we're measurers and because we're human, that it makes those vibration qualities stronger or weaker. That's just to give you a visual. It's really not like that, but great
Okay.
image. And that stronger, because you so believe in those words, then it has more, let's say, magnetic attraction, okay? Even though
Okay.
that's really not how it is, but it's great damn visual, Mom.
Yeah. So how does the energy and what is the energy tendril? Let's say somebody's like they know they are worthy of a promotion at their work and they put it out there. Law of attraction. I'm going to make this happen. They send out that I am worthy of this promotion and I'm going to have it. So that energy tendril powered by high quality vibration,
Yes.
hooks up to what
It
to make
goes
it
out
happen?
it goes out there and it hooks up to other vibrational patterns that can enhance it. And so we like to think that once you say something, it just kind of goes out into the world.
Mm-hmm.
Really, it's it's very Australian. It does come back to you. You're its
Ah.
manifester. You're its creator. And so what you put out there verbally or with thoughts feeds you later.
Well,
It's
what patterns does it seek out? Like the promotion thing. Give me a specific example of what energy pattern that could be attracted to, hook up to.
it could hook up to the boss or the person in HR who is doing the hiring that believes that we need somebody who will fit this position perfectly, blah, 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 blah. And you're putting out there, I fit that position perfectly, blah, 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 blah. And so those vibrational qualities fit, they match. They
Okay.
pull in that I'm confident, I'm the one for the position, look at me. And then from there on out, you have to land the deal. Life just doesn't
Oh
happen
no,
for you. It
no,
says you have to fucking participate.
of course. So those are the dust bunnies. The boss's energy and your energy together make that dust
Yes.
bunny, and it comes back to you in your life as a possible promotion.
Yes.
Interesting.
A big dust bunny that you want to keep.
So what kind of techniques can we use to attract things in our lives? I know that some people say write it on something and on a piece of paper and then burn it, or I don't know. Can you give
Yeah,
us
he goes,
some?
that's a really good Native American thing. Burn it,
Okay.
put in the ashes, put it into the sky for the great sky god to help you out. It's a great ritual and an action. If you find you're kind of person who needs a ritual,
Mm-hmm.
that's a good one.
Okay. But do you keep thinking about it? Do you have to keep the thought? I mean, or is that enough? You send it out to the universe, or do you have to keep saying, "I want that promotion. I want that promotion. I want that promotion." or I will get that promotion or whatever.
Or I will sound like a broken
Broken record.
No, you don't have to say it again and again and again to make it more powerful. But what you do need to present is that you really believe in what you're saying to make it powerful.
Yeah.
If you don't believe in it, if you feel like there's a crack in the foundation or a weakness, heal that first before you're manifesting. And so what you really have to have is to be extremely honest with yourself.
Yeah.
He goes, I don't think there is a lot of help in our culture that says it's okay to be extremely honest with yourself. He goes, we're so fucking good at covering shit up.
I know.
No. Oh, I didn't do that. No, I wasn't associated to that. No, I'm a really good person. I'm fine. They're all wrong. The more we acknowledge exactly who we are and we're truthful to ourselves, the more powerful our words are and the bigger our manifestations are going to be.
So
clean,
you might
clean energy.
So you might, in the promotion example, you might think, yeah, but I tend to be a little abrupt with people. I need to work on that. So work on that and you heal that so that then you truly believe, hey, I'm really good with people. I really am going to be good in this position. Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yes, that is absolutely true. And just like we were talking about getting your love life together, if you feel like you're not worthy of love, but you're asking for it, go handle what the worth is. Is it that you're not a good follow through, a good communicator? Is it that you don't feel like you're consistent enough? Or, what is it? Get to the bottom of it and then come back into the world of manifesting a great love for yourself and it will happen.
Yeah. Might take some therapy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Therapy kicks ass.
Yeah. Or a life coach or whatever. So are there certain words? I hear that if you say, I will have that promotion, then you'll always be in the state of will have it in the future and not. So should you write on the paper or whatever, or things that thought I am promoted, or how should you word your thought?
Yeah, because time really is not linear.
Right.
If you want this manifestation, to work for you better, it's talking about having it in the now. That's like saying, I will try to be a better person. All right, fucking try then. You're going to spend your whole life trying and not doing.
Right. Yeah, you're always in the perpetual state of trying. Yeah.
Yes. We have to look at the quality of the words that we're putting out there.
Okay. Anything else on the law of attraction? Any other techniques we can tell our viewers that will, attract the things that they want in their life?
Besides the really silly dance that he's doing?
Eric and his dancing. He's going to trip over his own 2 spirit feet any minute, I know. He's a terrible dancer. Like his mama.
Apple does not fall far from the tree.
They don't. All right, guys. Anything else before I close?
Nope.
Or? All right, thank you. Ding. I love you both. Bye, people.
I love you, Mom. Bye, viewers.
I'm going to have something after this video. You guys watch it.
That's strange. Now the dog is responding.
Yeah. My dog's sound asleep by me. Lola. Let's see Lola.
I'm dog sitting today.
Lola. Hi, Lola.
You see Eric?
Hi, Lola.
Flipping you out?
Yeah, she's not impressed with his dancing.
No.
All right, bye all.
Bye, guys.